Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to break down a complete smart money concept's long trading setup on the 1 hour time frame, step by step, exactly how institutions operate in the market. This video is not about indicators. This video is not about guessing direction. This video is about understanding intention, structure, and liquidity. Everything you see on the chart is already marked in sequence. And my job in this video is to help you understand the story behind price, not just the entry. I want you to listen carefully, because once you understand this model, you will realize why most retail traders lose, and why smart money always stays one step ahead. Let us now begin with the first and most important concept. The first thing we identify on this chart is the break of structure. Before this point, price was following a previous structure, respecting earlier highs and lows. Then we see a strong bullish move, where price clearly breaks above a previous high with momentum. This is not a normal move. This is institutional participation. A break of structure on the 1 hour time frame is extremely important, because it shows that larger players have changed market direction. At this moment, sellers lose control and buyers take control. This is where most traders fail, because they still think the old trend will continue. But smart money always leaves clues, and the break of structure is the biggest clue of all. From this point onward, our bias becomes bullish only. After the break of structure, price does not continue straight upward. This is where inexperienced traders chase the market and get trapped. Smart money needs liquidity to build positions. So price retraces into a bullish order block. This order block is the last bearish candle before the strong bullish impulse that caused the break of structure. This zone represents where institutions previously placed buy orders. Because institutions trade with large volume, price almost always reacts when it returns to this area. This is why order blocks work. They are not magic zones. They are institutional footprints. We mark this order block carefully because it becomes the foundation of the entire trade. Now we move to inducement, which is where emotional traders make mistakes. Inducement is created when price forms attractive but misleading structures. In this chart, price creates small pullbacks and minor highs, giving traders confidence that price will continue upward immediately. Many traders enter buy trades here without confirmation. Their stop losses are placed just below recent lows. Smart money sees these stop losses as available liquidity. Inducement exists for one purpose only: to trap impatient traders and build fuel for the next move. Without inducement, institutions cannot move price efficiently. Next, we identify buy-side liquidity. Buy-side liquidity is located above previous highs or equal highs. This is where breakout traders place buy orders. Existing buyers place take profit orders. To retail traders, this looks like resistance. To institutions, this is a liquidity pool. Smart money does not enter at buy-side liquidity. They target buy-side liquidity. By marking this level in advance, we already know where price wants to go, long before it actually moves. Liquidity is always the destination. Before price moves upward, smart money performs a liquidity sweep. Price drops aggressively and takes out sell-side liquidity, triggering stop losses. This move feels scary. Candles move fast. Fear enters the market. Retail traders believe the bullish move has failed and exit their positions. But this drop is not bearish. This is manipulation. Institutions use this moment to buy at discounted prices, while weak hands are removed from the market. After the liquidity sweep, price reaches the point of interest. This point of interest is a high probability zone created by confluence. It includes the bullish order block, the area after liquidity is swept, institutional imbalance. This is where smart money wants to execute buy orders. However, professionals do not rush. They wait. They observe. They let price come to them. This step separates professionals from gamblers. Instead of chasing price, we wait for a pullback into the point of interest. This pullback allows institutions to fully mitigate positions. Waiting here removes emotion from trading. Most traders lose because they cannot wait. Smart money rewards patience, not excitement. Once price shows bullish reaction inside the point of interest, the buy trade is executed. Entry is taken from the point of interest. Stop loss is placed below the liquidity sweep. Target is placed at the buy side liquidity. Price then expands strongly upward, delivering a clean bullish move. This move is logical. This move is planned. This move is institutional. After a bullish break of structure on the 1-hour time frame, smart money does not buy at highs. Institutions wait for price to return to discounted levels near the point of interest. Inducement and liquidity sweeps exist to remove impatient traders and allow smart money to buy cheap. Do not chase price. Wait for discount. Follow the discount trader. That is how smart money trades.